Good morning, friends. I welcome you all in the new video that is going to talk about the four latest and the highlighted news of the day. Before we begin with the news, I would like to request everyone to subscribe our channel and hit the bell notification. The very first news we are going to talk about the PAC company Hindustan Zinc that has planned or the management has announced a plan of 300 million US dollars capex plan for the financial year 25. The company has reported a 21% drop in the fourth quarter net profit to rupees 2038 crores as seen in the last year of April 19. Amid with the zinc price gone up, the management has decided to expand their current capex plan for the financial year 25 with a worth of 300 million, and this new roster will be set up in the Dabari, Rajasthan, with the alignment of the company's bullish outlook on the zinc price this year. Moreover, the company has clearly mentioned that the fund available within the country is surplus for this project, as the company is sitting with 10,000 crores of amount of liquidity available in the company's statement or the balance sheet. No further borrowing will be taken or intend to taken from the external source. Moreover, the company is working towards the reliable and renewable source of energy with a signed power delivery agreement for rupees 450 megawatt. The company has also signed an agreement to buy 180 LNG vehicle, 10 EV truck for good moments, and the company said in a representation on April 19. With this, we will move to the second biggest news related to a pharma company that has recently launched its generic medicine of bladder control drug in USA with the dose of 25 mg. The company also estimates 75 to 80 million US dollars of work opportunity in USA. Moreover, being the first manufacturer, distributor, and seller of generic medicine in USA, provide or given gives the advantage of 180 days of exclusive period rights to manufacture, distribute, and sell. With this, the company management has shown a keen interest of releasing the same medicine with the a higher dose of 50 mg to the market soon, making sure to grab the market in US as soon as possible. With this, we will move to the third biggest news that talks about NTPC sign MOU with Indus Tower with a collaboration movement to create and develop a development of grid connection renewable energy based power projects including solar, wind, energy storage, etc. This move comes after the company has backed multiple projects from different government sector firms or departments. For example, the state tax officer Ghatak has placed 57, range 15, division 7, Gujarat, Surat for collection of interest and penalty under good and service tax law for rupees 828 rupees 98 lakh. Moreover, they have also received the order from Deputy Commissioner ST State Special Circle 1 with the worth of 7.91 crores. The company has filed the request for the commitment and the commissioning this project in the financial year 25 soon. Moving with the very last but latest and highlighted news, that is Welspun Corp share jumped 5% on order win of rupees 872 crores. Welspun Corp has won multiple line pipe orders both in India and USA and will execute them during financial year 25. Moreover, the company has been doing recently well and is as per in alignment with the business and the management's projection, as the company has also been keen in the development of their strategic values. The company has decided, along with their step-down subsidiary Syntex Advanced Plastic, to set up a plastic pipeline and water storage tank manufacturing facility in Madhya Pradesh worth of 400 crores. Moreover, early in 2024, Welspun's associate company, East Pipeline Integrated Company for Industry (EPIC), received order worth of 3,000 crore in Saudi Arabia. This order will be delivered along with the latest order in the financial year 25, making the order book robust and rigid. And because of this, the company has shown a rise in the stock price of 33% in the last couple of sessions, moreover 50% rise in the benchmark Nifty during the same period. With this, I would like to conclude all the news together. But before I end the video, I request everyone to take some moment, hit that bell notification, plus subscribe our channel that is Stock English for this kind of latest and hot selling news. Let's meet again in the next video. Till then, be safe, be stay, be tuned with the latest information. Thank you and take care.